The Devan portable blender for smoothies and mini shakes. My niece let me use this today. So I'm going to show you that it works as well as I found it to work. Now you can take this to school, put it in your backpack, do whatever you want to. Throw it in the back seat, whatever you want to do. Put it in the cup holder in the middle of the car, whatever you want. So here we are. We're going to just put together a smoothie for you. So let's start off with a little bit of watermelon, a little bit of mango, some berries. We'll just start with those. See how they go. Put the lid on. Some chia seeds. We should put in a tablespoon, but we'll put in a teaspoon. A little bit of spinach. Put that lid back on. And what I like about this is the size of it is so small and light, you can just shake it up a little bit just to get everything blended in there nicely for you. And our smoothie is ready. You can leave it in there and drink it right out of the hopper or put it in a separate glass, whatever you wish. Let's see what it tastes like. It actually tastes pretty good. Seriously. I mean, you know, it's that color, but it's a very good flavor. So highly recommend it. The Devan portable blender for smoothies and mini shakes.